Hello everyone. As you're aware, my name is Arun. I'm a professor of management and yes, an athlete and an artist. My idea is very simple to make things very simple for my students. Weekends I work with young kids, and one thing that I noticed was that it is so very difficult for any student, whether it's a teenager, whether it's a kid or an advanced student, to remember things and things which are like pretty much random. And then I thought, what could be more random than countries and capitals and states and so on. But you know what? Having worked on it, I figured out that there is a nice way of going about doing things. And it is that I would be sharing with all of my students on my YouTube channel called The Globe Story. So I'll just give you a demonstration of that by telling you all 50 states of United States and while being blindfolded. So that means I'm not looking at a chart, I'm not looking at a map. And is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Is it simple? Yes, it is very simple. And there is a pattern I'm going to be following, which I want to share it with you here. This is the pattern with which I would be going. So let's try the blindfold way. So my idea is that every student of mine should be able to do exactly the same way. No using paper, no using pen, no other references at all. So I'm going to start from the west side and then follow a pattern as you saw in the cutout. Okay. Okay, so here we start. Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Missouri. Then we come to Colorado, Utah, Nevada, California, Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, Florida, and above Mississippi, Alabama and Georgia is a state called Tennessee. Above Tennessee is a state called Kentucky. Then we start from the east coast. I have already told you Florida, okay, Georgia, then comes South Carolina, North Carolina, then comes Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia. Now I am going to start from Minnesota. Minnesota, Wisconsin, then you have Michigan. Below Michigan are 3 states by the name of Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, also touching Ohio. Then we'll go from Ohio towards the east coast, a little vertical. Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, then come along the east coast downwards. And the names are Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New Jersey, Delaware, and we've actually done all the 50 states except a state called Alaska and Hawaii, which is in the Pacific Ocean. And both of these are also the states, so we've completed all 50 states in a rather simple way, following a particular pattern. This pattern itself is a very powerful memory technique, and within 4 or 5 videos I'll be sharing it with you how to remember this. The hint is it goes like a story and becomes very easy for you to talk about all of this. Now, if somebody thinks that I've just prepared only for this, no. If you ask me Central America, I got a story there. There are 7 countries in Central America, the mainland part of it. And which are these countries? And I wasn't planning to do this. The countries is Belize, Guatemala, El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica and Panama. So if you go to South America, then the countries are Argentina, Chile, Bolivia, Uruguay, Paraguay, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Brazil. Then we have Guyana, French Guyana, which is a territory of France. And we have Suriname. Okay, just for a demo purpose, I can also tell you which are the main islands which call the Caribbeans. So near Florida there is Bahamas, okay, and major island countries are Cuba, below Cuba is Jamaica, next to Cuba on the west side is Haiti and Dominican Republic. Then comes the US territory of Puerto Rico and US Virgin Islands. Then there is British Virgin Islands. And then there are a whole host of island countries. For example, Anguilla, Saint Kitts and Nevis. You have Antigua and Barbuda. And now starting from the South America side and upwards, it's very simple. You have Trinidad and Tobago, you have Grenada, Barbados, Saint Vincent and Grenadines, Saint Lucia, and these are the major island countries here. So once you have these powerful memory techniques, you can apply it anywhere. So for example, if I was to jump to say Middle East, what are the countries there? So it's Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, Syria, Jordan, Israel, Palestine, Lebanon, Iraq, and some parts of Turkey. Okay? So this is the Middle East part. So if you were to speak about, let's say, West Asia. So what are the countries in West Asia? The countries in West Asia is Kazakhstan. Then you have Uzbekistan and Kyrgyzstan. Then you have Turkmenistan and Tajikistan. Then you have Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. So what I'm trying to tell you here is these powerful visualization techniques allow you to imagine it without a pen and paper. So once it is there, even if you want to revise it, you can just revise it like this. You're traveling on a bus, you can revise it. You go dancing, you can revise it. You're walking, jogging, playing, you can revise it. You can revise it practically any time. So let's take our experiment a little further. Can I tell you something about, can I actually name all 54 countries of Africa? Remember, there are 54 countries and I can definitely try and attempt all 54. So let's start from Egypt. So you have Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Western Sahara, Mauritania. Okay? Then you have, if you're moving towards the east side from the west, so from Mauritania, you have Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Somalia. And then there are two small countries along the Red Sea. Okay? This is Eritrea, and a country that starts with D but it is silent is Djibouti. So let's come back to the west coast where we left at Mauritania. So there is a country called Senegal, Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Guinea, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, which was Ivory Coast, Ghana. After Ghana you have Benin, no, you have Togo, Benin, Nigeria. Okay, and above Benin and Togo is a country called Burkina Faso. Okay, now I am proceeding westwards. Westwards, when I am going, there is Central African Republic, and then I am proceeding a little downwards. If I go downwards, there is Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi. Then there is Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa. And within the territory of South Africa, there are two countries, Lesotho and Eswatini. Then above, we start going above, on the west coast, is Botswana, Namibia, Angola. Then there is a country called Republic of Congo and Democratic Republic of Congo. Then you have Gabon, Equatorial Guinea, and right there you have couple of islands, and this is an island country which is called Sao Tome and Principe. Similarly, there is a country called Cape Verde on the west side. Now let's come to the island countries on the east side. So there is Madagascar, Seychelles, and Mauritius. So did I at all leave any country of South Africa? Let me just think about it. No, I don't think we left any country of Africa. Now if we were to jump to Europe, so see, we start with Portugal, Spain, a very tiny country called Andorra. Okay? Also a country, island country called Malta. Then we have France, Switzerland, Luxembourg, Liechtenstein. Then we'll cross the English Channel, and there you have UK, Ireland, and above is Iceland. So UK has 4 constituents: England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Now let's cross back the English Channel, and the countries would be, you have Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, Poland, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, Belarus, Ukraine, Romania, Bulgaria, Moldova, Turkey, Armenia, Georgia, Azerbaijan. Now again starting from the France along the Mediterranean coast, okay, there is a country which is Italy, then you have San Marino within Italy and Vatican City. Now along the Balkans in Europe is, you have, okay, before I come to Balkans, I must tell you, above Italy side, touching Switzerland, is Austria, Hungary, above that is Czech Republic and Slovakia. Now we come to Balkans. So we have Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Serbia, Kosovo and Northern Macedonia. Then we have Albania and Montenegro. And yes, let's wrap it up by speaking about Greece, Cyprus, and a country that starts with M, that is the last country in Europe. It's a very tiny country along the Mediterranean coast. And I'm just trying to recollect its name. It's so tiny. It's like Andorra. So M is Monaco. And there we have it. It's all the countries of Europe. So similarly, you can do the capitals. It's very easy. So what I'm trying to tell you is, there are such powerful memory techniques based on visualization and storytelling. You really do not need any paper whatsoever. Nothing you need. It all gets in here once you have a little practice and you know the story. So keep watching out this space. And if you want to watch my fitness videos, it's on YouTube and Instagram. And these are some of the videos that I'm actually showing you. The channel is called super_fit_40s or superfit 40s. Alright, so if you like this video, subscribe to the Globe Story on Instagram, on Facebook, and write to me on FB, the Globe Story @gmail.com. See you again with another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.